Good morning, my dear students. In this video, we discuss 2019 JEE Advanced Paper Pattern. Actually, IIT, the JEE Advanced Paper Pattern we can't expect before the exam. Whereas in MSET and Mains, there is a fixed paper pattern. Before we know the pattern of the paper, but IIT, we don't know, we can't expect. Mainly, 5 types of questions are given, most strongly. That is, first one, single answer type questions. Second, one or more option questions. Third one, integer type questions. Fourth one, matrix matching. Fifth one, comprehension. Maximum these 5 types of questions are given. So marks may be change, plus or minus, whatever it may be. Negative marking also there. Some sections there is no negative marking. Before answering the question paper, you have to thoroughly observe the paper pattern and terms and conditions marks these. If there is no negative marking in a particular section, you have to answer all the questions in that. Sometimes maybe answer may be correct, your answer may be correct, there is no negative marking, why you are losing that chance? So such type of questions are there, you have to answer all the questions. Mathematics, physics and chemistry, these 3 subjects are the same pattern type. So you read one, either maths or physics or chemistry, terms and conditions, you read that one. That's enough. We need not read all the subjects. Okay, now we discuss the paper pattern of 2019 JEE Advanced. Paper 1, Paper 2. These 2 papers are similar. Paper 1, 186 marks and Paper 2, 186 marks. Total together 372 marks. There, the qualifying is 25% only. 25%. And subject-wise qualifying, most probably that is 10% maybe each subject. That's enough. Okay, now what are the questions? Which type of questions are given? As well as we discuss some questions in the mathematics IIT JEE, the paper 1, we solved some questions also. Before going to solve the questions, just we look at this. Paper 1, first section. Paper 1 contains 3 sections. Section 1, 1 correct option questions. That section contains 4 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. If it is correct, wrong, you are losing 1 mark. So there are 4 questions. 4 into 3, 12 questions. 12 marks. Next, second section, 1 or more option. That contains 8 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. 4 marks. Losing 1 mark if it is wrong. 4 into 8, 32. Here, 1 or more options. Sometimes if you are recognize all the correct options, you are getting. For example, A, B, C are correct. You are choosing A correct, B correct, C correct. You answer these 3, 4 marks. Okay, there is a chance to get 3, 2 marks, 1 mark. So how it is? You look here. For example, if 4 options are correct, actually 4 options are correct, you mark only 3 options. You are losing 1 or D or C. You are losing that. That means A, B, C or whatever it may be. 3 options are you are marking. You answer 3. You get 3 marks. Okay. Now, if 3 or more options are correct actually, but you answer 2 or more options, then 2 options are correct. In that case, 2 marks you are getting. The mark you answer the 2 questions are, for example, A, B, C, D are correct, but you answer A and B only, C and D are not answered, you get 2 marks. For example, if A, B, C are correct, you answer A and B, 2 marks. For example, if A, B, C are correct, you answer A and D, you are losing 1 mark. understood what I say? Now, next, there is a chance to get 1 mark for question. If 2 or more options are correct in the question, but you answer one option only, the corrected option, in that case, you get 1 mark. Okay, you are not answer any option, 0. Your wrong option, -1. That is the system in this paper 1. Okay, now here single digit integer type questions. That section, that is the last section, third section in paper 1, that section contains 6 questions. Each question carries 3 marks and no negative marking. So you have to answer single digit answer type questions. Okay, so 6 into 3, 18. Now, paper 2 also same type, just order change. Now here, the total marks mathematics, 12 maximum marks in section 12, 32 second section, third section 18, total 62 marks mathematics. Mathematics 62 marks. So for all the 3 subjects, 62 into 3, 186. In the same pattern, paper 2, 62 into 3, 186, total 372 marks. Maximum marks is 372. Paper 2, just order change, 1 or more options, single digit integer type questions. Third one correct option questions. Second section, no negative marking. You have to answer all the questions in second section because there is no negative marking. Whereas in first section, the same type applicable. 1 or more options. If 4 options are correct, you answer 4, then you get 4 marks. You answer 3, you get 3 marks. You answer 2, 2 marks. You answer only 1 mark. You didn't answer, 0. But if you put wrong answer, -1. For example, A, B, C are correct, but you answer A and D, 0 mark. -1 mark. You are losing mark because D is wrong answer, but D is not correct, but you answer D, that's why you are losing 1 mark. Okay, now, so total 372.